Sir, my name is Rajkumar Tiwari, sir. I think you know me as I am a student of your tuition. As I have told you yesterday that I have unified the gravitational force with electromagnetic force classically. Then you told me that I have to bring that paper to you, but here I am sending you a video of the derivation, which I think can unify the two forces together into a single force, okay, classically. So I am starting, sir. Alright. So this is a mathematical derivation, as you can see. As my assumption is, energy is not only converted to mass but also converted to charge by the relation energy that is equal to m plus q bracket c square, which I can consider as a single entity known as del. Del is actually nothing but just a addition of mass and charge. Now if del is equal to m plus q, as you can observe from this derivation, that is my equation number 1. Okay, so force G or gravitational force is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square, and force electrostatic or electromagnetic force is K q1 q2 divided by r square. If m1 is equal to m2 and q1 is equal to q2, then Fg is equal to Gm square divided by r square, and Fk is equal to Kq square divided by r square. So m square is equal to Fg r square by G, and Q square is equal to Fk r square by K. Squaring both sides of equation 1, del square is equal to m plus q whole square. Del square is equal to m square plus q square plus 2mq. Okay, del square minus 2mq, that is equal to m square plus q square. This is my equation number 2. Now putting the value of equation 2, we get del square minus 2mq is equal to fg r square by g plus fk r square by k. Actually, from this relation, del square minus 2mq is equal to m square plus q square, I just simply put the value of m square and q square what I got from this two force equations. So after that, what I have done is a simple calculation. Gk, as you can see, I think now it is clear for you that how I have calculated. This is actually a simple calculation which everything can, which anybody can understand quite easily. And I have taken r square as common from this equation. From RHS, I have taken r square as common, and I have done the simple mathematical operations which we all know and which we are all familiar with. And in this way, as you can see, in this way I have unified the two forces, and at last you can observe the unified force equation. LHS means Gk del square minus 2mq by r square is equal to Fgk plus Fkg. The unified force equation, now you can observe. Okay, this is the unified force equation. Now there are two conditions may arise. First, if q is equal to 0, then del is equal to m plus q, then del should be equal to m, and if del is equal to m, then Fg should be equal to G del square by r square, as you can observe. So del square means what? M square, as q is 0, that's why force G is equal to Gm square. So I got the gravitational force formula when charge is equal to 0. Now the next case, as you can observe, জানা এখান থেকে অফ এরাও না মানে মেসেজগুলো হোয়াটসঅ্যাপের সব ছেলেগুলোকে এমন মারবো না আমি, যাই হোক। তো sorry, actually I use this language because some of my friends were sending me the messages and I'm irritating. I've irritated due to the messages, that's why I use this language. But sir, please forgive me if but I have not used this. I don't want to use this kind of language. I've used it because my friends were sending me continuous messages. Okay, so in order to that is actually my irritation and anger against them. So please sir, don't don't have any bad impression. So don't think that I am a bad guy. I'm not a bad guy actually. And let me first show you once again what I can. Let me show you last part of the formula. In case 2, when mass is very small with respect to charge, as mass can never be equal to 0, we can consider m plus q as nearly is equal to m. So if m plus q is nearly is equal to m, we can write the force equation like this. Fgk plus fkg is nearly equal to fkg, as I have shown the last part. Look it over here. No, not over here actually. Sorry. Yes. Look it over here. Yes, this part, RHS part, Fgk plus Fkg. If for mass much smaller than charge, we can consider Fgk plus Fkg is nearly is equal to Fkg. So Fkg should be equal to kq square by r square. The same operation which I have done for the first case, I have done for the second case, but this time I have taken Fk. Okay. So in this way, the two forces can be unified, and the unified force equation is this one. As you can observe, gk del square minus 2mq by r square whole bracket equal to fgk plus fkg. This is a unified force equation. Now some questions will arise in your mind that how I have taken the assumption that energy is not only converted to mass but also converted to charge. Well sir, what is the origin of charge? Right, if mass is, as we all know, a mass can exist without charge, but a charge can't exist without mass. But at a highest energy scale, highest possible energy scale, which is far beyond our calculation, at that point the energy was converted to mass as well as converted to charge, but the value of charge was very small as compared to the value of mass. Due to that reason, we haven't detected whether when energy we haven't calculated the energy when we calculated charge as well. Well, I will describe you the whole story after okay, on Thursday, but before that you should watch this video, and please sir, send me a message that whether this approach is right or not. I will explain you how I have arrived at the situation that energy, how I have arrived at this conclusion that energy is not only converted to mass but also converted to charge. Okay, thank you very much sir.